guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. Today we're going to talk about the channel growth, views, watch hours, and how you're all helping. So as you can see, we're back inside Panda, about to go get some gas, get this trash thrown out, but Panda is put back together. We got the air compressor switch wired, and we have a whole bunch of other stuff done. Now what's important for the channel is we have to focus on getting to the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program basically will allow us to start earning some sort of income towards the channel, where you get basically paid on per X amount of views, and it's basically based off the ads that play during the videos. So right now we've actually had a huge growth, so thank you to everyone that was sharing the channel, the videos and all that kind of stuff. We had a 53% increase in the video views. Now that's huge because right now we have to get to the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now the watch hours have to be accumulated over the period of 365 days, which means the videos that I made last year, let's say September, we made 200 watch hours last year. That means any views I get this year, or the watch hours I get this September, have to be more than last year's to basically grow. So let's say we had 200 watch hours last year, and I only had 150 this year for September, then I would be in the whole negative 50 for the month. Now that makes it difficult because as you're trying to grow, you have to basically outpace yourself in the previous year, which we are doing. So I haven't checked the most up-to-date stats for today. The YouTube algorithm is basically a day behind. So what I'll see today is everything that happened from yesterday and before. So everything's about a day behind. Last I checked though, we were right at about 1,600 watch hours, or 2,600 watch hours, and that puts us a little over halfway there. We're at 804 subscribers out of the 1,000. So my prediction is by the end of the year, we will hit the 1,000 subscribers, and the watch hours, I'm hoping that we will peak a little over 4,000, but once we get that, we're locked into the YouTube Partner Program, then we can start earning some money towards the channel. Now, again, earning money is a big part of this because if we earn money, we can start writing this off as a business officially. We can actually build everything up from there, and we start buying stuff for the channel. Then it could be a write-off to say, hey, we bought all this stuff for the channel, camera equipment, different road trips, adventures, different kind of things that be involved with the channel more. But the thing is, the money I'm going to be earning up front is not going to be a lot of money. Some people don't realize is you don't get paid a ton of money to do YouTube. You have to make the views, you have to get the watch hours. The more ads that people watch, the more money you can make. Now right now, I'm not making money from the ads, so if you skip them, it's just whatever. With that being said, yeah, once we start the program and start earning that money, I'll keep you guys up to date on how this stuff works, because this will be my first time officially monetized and actually earning money on the channel, and I want you guys to have a general idea of what we're able to get. Now again, the money that's gonna be rolling through is not gonna be a lot. I'm expecting to make maybe a few dollars within the first year. Like, it's only gonna be just a tad bit to get started, but as the channel grows and videos views grow and all that kind of stuff happens, and you guys comment and you share, it definitely can increase the revenue by far. So the more of you that subscribe and the more of you that watch the videos, the longer you watch the videos, all that stuff is helping with the big picture. Alright, so here is the underglow. It is now turned on. I know a couple of you said that you had issues with the controller box. What I want you to do is go ahead and uninstall the app, put your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS on, and then reinstall the app and then see if that works. Now, this is the first time we've been putting gas in, or put gas in Panda for a full tank since July 4th when the transmission originally blew. So finally the car will be a little happy. We still have a check engine light, by the way, so we have to order a transmission speed sensor or a shift solenoid sensor. They vary in range. The speed sensor is, I think, $12, and the speed sensor is like $150. So we're gonna order the speed sensor first to see if that fixes the issue. Yeah, like I said, once we start earning the income for the YouTube channel, then we can kind of go into more views and more parts and some cool stuff like that. And look at this. Yeah, new Supra just rolling up behind us. It's pretty cool. So again, if you haven't subscribed, please consider it. Every subscription counts, every view counts. Every time you share a video, it makes a huge difference. And again, we've had a 53% increase in views this past week alone. So I appreciate every single one of you who've shared the video. But that's it for today's video. Just a quick update about what's kind of going on with the channel, some simple goals. And again, we are doing the $200 cash giveaway at the end of the year if we get to the 1,000 subs, which we should be able to get to. But thank you guys for being part of this video. I'll see you guys around next week. Have yourself a great day.